The next Galaxy S24 series may not take considerably better selfies than the Galaxy S23 series. While Samsung is preparing 2 new foldable phones for the Galaxy Unpacked launch events on July 26, you can be sure that the firm is also working on its next-generation slab-type flagship phone, the Galaxy S24, for the 2024 model. Others may not, and according to a recent analysis, the selfie camera falls into the latter group. After using a 10-megapixel selfie camera for the Galaxy S flagship lineup for 4 years, Samsung switched to an improved 12-megapixel sensor earlier this year when it released the Galaxy S23 series, and according to our colleagues at Galaxy Club, Samsung has no plans to use a higher resolution sensor for the Galaxy S24 series next year. The entire Galaxy S24 lineup should share the same 12-megapixel sensor as the 2023 models. Using this year's sensor doesn't necessarily mean selfie photography won't see any improvements next year, but if there are, they'll come through better camera software optimization and AI processing in addition to the selfie camera staying the same. The ISO-Cell HP2 debuted earlier this year with the S23 Ultra, and the Korean tech giant may still haven't gotten the most out of this new sensor, so it makes sense for Samsung to want to use it again just 1 year after its release and potential to improve the camera experience through other means. If all of this seems routine, consider that one component might be changed in 2024. According to previous reports, the Galaxy S24 Ultra would get at least one substantial camera hardware update in the form of a more powerful telephoto camera. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 optical zoom settings, and a 10-megapixel 10x zoom unit, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include a 5x telephoto unit in lieu of the 3x telephoto unit. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.